Hi everyone, and welcome to a new House webinar. I'm Rebecca, and I'm a Senior Client Success Manager here at House. In today's session, we'll be talking about what homeowners look for in their projects and why online presence matters. Our industry is lucky. We're booming right now. You're likely turning down work or pushing start dates far into the future for new projects. While this is great for pros, our groundbreaking research shows that homeowners care about some surprising things and are often disappointed or frustrated with several aspects of finding and then working with pros they hire. In this webinar, we'll show you what you need to do if you want this current boom in homeowners' interest and the associated projects to turn into more leads and more high-quality referrals that will keep you busy for years to come. What does this all mean? Managing homeowners' expectations and keeping them updated on delays, from project backlogs to material shortages, has become mission critical. Let's talk pre-project. One of the key takeaways from our research of pre-project activity is that online credibility really matters, no matter where your leads are coming from. In fact, it may surprise you to learn that more than 54% of homeowners who are relying on recommendations from personal sources, such as referrals, still report that a pro's online presence is a very important factor in their decision to contact and interview a professional. So if you aren't already, you should be thinking about the content on your website and your house profile, or other online touchpoints, as a place not just to be discovered, but as a place where homeowners are validating the other input they may have had about you from other channels. Friends, family, ads, social posts, wherever they may have found you. So once you've made the shortlist, what's important to homeowners when making hiring decisions? Online presence is number one. For years, I've been explaining this as nice stalking. And you know you've all done it when hiring a new employee or reading about a product that you're interested in. You want as much information as possible before reaching out. Plus, we know homeowners can spend up to a year planning and saving for a project before moving forward. So they are building up their idea books and saving pros and project photos and reading reviews. So when they're ready to reach out, they feel armed with information. Think about your online presence like a digital storefront. Does your display window encourage people to want to learn more? Once they come in, can they easily find the information that they need? What do they care about most? Online reviews, examples of projects with similar scope and size, a business profile such as on House, and the pro's website are very important factors in their decision to contact and interview a professional. And within that, reviews take top billing as most important. Homeowners want to check your references online, even if they go on to call some. Put yourself in your client's shoes. You know the questions they ask when you first meet or speak to them, so make sure you are answering those same questions on your website and profile. Why should homeowner concerns matter to you? You're busy, right? It's easy to say it doesn't really matter, but you could be missing out on so much that you do care about. Better clients, project quality, nicer people, more choice of projects, better pipeline, now and once things start to slow down. So you're probably asking yourself, how do I know how I'm doing? Is my online presence helping convince the clients refer to me, or even those who find me organically, or through advertising or other means to reach out? That's exactly the right question to ask. And to help our pro community find opportunities to make an impact, we've developed the Online Impact Score. So what is it? Google has indicated site speed and as a result, page speed is one of the signals used by its algorithm to rank pages. And research has shown that Google might be specifically measuring time to first byte as when it considers page speed. In addition, a slow page speed means that search engines can crawl fewer pages using their allocated crawl budget, and this could negatively affect your indexation. Page speed is also important to user experience. Pages with a longer load time tend to have higher bounce rates and lower average time on page. Longer load times have also been shown to negatively affect conversions. Contact form tells Google site converts. Houzz calculated an online impact score for nearly 1 million pros globally. Only pros with a Houzz profile and linked proprietary website were scored. Scores are out a total of 100. How to get your online impact score? Well, make sure you are logged into your Houzz account and go to Insights. Free consultations are available for Houzz Pro paid subscribers and pros with a free Houzz profile or Houzz account. If you knew Site Designer or our previous website services, we've rebuilt and reimagined it all. New technology, custom design work, and more based on your feedback. Why Houzz sites are fast? Custom domain? Don't sweat over domain age. Look professional. Contact form? Conversion rate signals to Google. You can schedule a consultation to learn more about how we can help your site score and Houzz profile impact. Go to the support page and contact us at pro.houzz.com/support. So now you're better armed to use your online presence to get the clients you want to reach out and contact you. Our research also looked at 1. The factors that had the biggest impact on hiring decisions, and 2. The biggest challenges homeowners face when working with pros. Because winning on both these fronts will not only help you win more jobs, but drive more word of mouth referrals and great reviews. 64% of homeowners say they care about communication and organization skills, pricing, or a bid that is easy to understand, and the speed of receiving a proposal or estimate. Some other key factors impacting a homeowner's decision to hire are availability. Make sure to respond quickly to their requests. Be present at all stages of the project. Personality. Be unique. Remember that your company is your brand. Online presence reflects, therefore, your personality. Experience with projects similar to the homeowner's requests. So now you've been hired, how are you managing the client experience, yourself or with your team, to ensure that you'll be referred again and again? We asked homeowners in our survey who were in the midst of or who had completed a major renovation project what one thing would have most improved their experience. The first one is better communication regarding delays, the project's overview, etc. We've added some feedback on this slide. With the Houzz Pro tool timeline, you can keep your clients updated on every single project stage, as well as manage your team better. Use the color coding for different team members and let them see due dates and much more. Other feedback was to be clearer and provide more accurate estimates or proposals. With Houzz Pro, you can create in minutes personalized estimates or proposals, whether you're a builder or a designer. You can create estimates and get them approved with a click. You save time with templates you can customize and reuse and let your customers approve them with an e-signature. Proposals are easy to create and totally customizable. Add images of the products to the proposal for a sleek, professional look. Your brand logo and company details will always appear at the top of the document. The third point is being more transparent with the costs and budget. With House Pro, you can create scheduled payments on proposals and estimates. This feature allows you to set client expectations around the overall project cost and for when payments are due. When clients approve estimates or proposals, they'll also be acknowledging the payment schedule. Throughout the project, you and your client will be able to view all the scheduled payments on the estimate, ordered by due date, and noting the current status. House Pro also makes it easy for you to request payments upfront and protect your business. You can request a deposit or a retainer and then apply the retainer as work is done. Last point is the visualization. Homeowners want to be able to visualize more the projects, the materials, and the colors. House Pro has different visualization tools such as the 3D floor plan and the mood board. Creating professional, accurate 3D floor plans can help you stand out and make a great impression with clients. Our easy-to-use floor planning tool helps designers and contractors whip up floor plans in minutes, not hours. Beautiful mood boards can wow clients and help you close new business, and they streamline the proposal creation process. With the feature-rich mood boards in House Pro, you can select products, upload imagery, set desired colors, add text, and use our powerful background removal tool to silhouette any product photo. That's all for today's session. I hope you found it useful. We've linked all the relevant articles in the landing page of this video. If you have any questions, go to the support page and contact us at pro.house.com/support. Thanks, and see you soon on House Pro.